was a little girl, my imagination was sharp, and my head was full of castles in the air. I was an incorruptible daydreamer, always have been, and probably will remain till the day I die. I wanted to be someone important, someone useful. I wanted to be the person who would change this world. I thought that I would become a scientist, that I would become an artist. Alas, nothing came of it, yet now I am a person who can try on all the rules. Growing up, I felt a need for travel. I wanted to survey the oceans and seas. I wanted to see the Louvre and the Eiffel Tower, cherry blossoms and the carnival. Maybe this desire, coupled with a dream in nature, led me to study English. Although English has always been more than just a school subject for me. It was, of course, the easiest and the most unusual subject. When I started learning this language, I was shocked by the amount of material and content available. Even now, I just don't understand how it is possible to remain only in the monolingual segment of the World Wide Web. It cannot even hold a candle for the real majestic internet. When I was around 15, the unthinkable happened. I fell in love with the language. I was fascinated by the richness and flexibility of that language, the subtleness of colors and shapes. How come one word can be both an action and a thing? How come one person can understand a word without even knowing it? I was taken aback by the sound of that language. Like it was in Moby Dick, the lashed sea's landlessness captivated me. Goethe once said, "They who know no foreign languages know nothing of their own." His words came true for me. Knowing English actually helped me in understanding my native culture. All in all, years passed. I graduated from high school and entered Kazakh National University of International Relations and World Languages to get a degree in 2 foreign languages. When I was still a goggle-eyed freshman, one professor affected me, Leyla Nushrivanovna. She was a person deeply, madly, actually in love with her subject. I remember distinctly each of her lectures, her every single word and generous gesture. This person showed me the importance of teaching. She used to say that the future is ours and the world is our oyster. And if we want a good future for Kazakhstan, then we need to start with ourselves. Her words inspired me to return to my hometown and start working here. That's it. This is the story of my life. I am madly in love with my work and wish only one thing, that my students would share my enthusiasm when it comes to the English language. Maybe I didn't become a scientist or a traveler, but I believe that I'm in charge of many future ones.